YouTube 101 Success HD Video Training. Video 2. Overview of a successful YouTube marketing strategy. With so many viewers on YouTube and so many video contents being watched daily, there's enough space for good YouTube channels like yours to succeed. What's important is to have a comprehensive YouTube digital marketing strategy for your channel. It will help you to get found by your target audience and assist you in gaining maximum exposure. Let's find out the fundamental steps of creating a successful YouTube marketing strategy. What's a strategy? A good YouTube digital marketing strategy comprises of attracting organic traffic by creating awareness of your channel and your work on various social media platforms while making your content YouTube algorithm friendly. So let's head further to understand how to create a successful YouTube digital marketing strategy for your channel. 1. Keep YouTube algorithm happy. The first step on how you do YouTube marketing is to make sure you not only meet all the necessary criteria of the YouTube algorithm, but you should also remain up to date with the new changes in the algorithm. Here's what you need to do to optimize your channel and videos. Tips to optimize channel. Complete your YouTube bio. Use Google AdWords Keyword Planner to check for popular keywords based on your niche and add them in a section called Channel Keywords in Account Information. For the channel's homepage, add a high-quality custom banner and create an intro video that plays whenever someone visits your channel. Tips to optimize videos. Make sure it has a captivating title and descriptions with all necessary keywords. Make sure to invest in high-quality audio and video equipment. Have a highly optimized picture as a thumbnail. Add necessary YouTube annotations in the video whenever possible. Adding subtitles to your video can help your video gain unprecedented exposure. Nevertheless, the best YouTube promotion strategy comprises of utilizing all the social media platforms out there and guiding the traffic from there to your YouTube channel. Here are a few ideas. 1. Post some content exclusive to each platform. You can use Instagram to post your photos and keep your followers updated with what's going on in your life. You can use Twitter to express your views on various topics. You can use Facebook to share behind-the-scene footage. Make your every profile worth following. 2. Interact with your audience through various platforms. You can retweet tweets from your followers. You can follow back your followers on Instagram. You can tag people on Facebook on your posts. There are many ways of interacting with your followers. Just remember that using social media platforms to indulge in direct promotion won't work. You need to be sensible and engaging in your approach. 3. Join platforms that can help in the promotion of your channel. If you have an educational channel, you can join Quora and answer questions that are relevant to your channel and post link to your channel in each of your answers. If you have a crafts channel, joining Pinterest can really help. For vloggers, if they start blogging too, they can expand their audience further. 4. Create engagement on YouTube. With a plethora of videos out there on one topic, you need to have high retention rate on each video. Otherwise, people will simply go to some other video. The way out is to create engagement on YouTube. You can do this through video engagement, promotional engagement, interactive engagement. 5. Creating video snippets and memes. One of the best YouTube promotion strategies is to create compelling short video snippets and memes from your YouTube channel. These are quick to watch, catches the attention easily, and are shared faster compared to long videos. It's a must to add this in your YouTube digital marketing strategy. Hence, the only way to beat the fierce competition on YouTube is to make sure that you prioritize quality before anything else. Creating quality content will call for more time and energy, but the results you'll reap from it will be worth everything. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.